Jump ball. Nakita si 29, bumitaw. Nakuha ni number 11. Follow up ba yan? Assist. Number 11. Talunan, kanya pa rin. Nakita si 22 boarding. Basket 2 points. 4-0. Pass to number 27. To number 14, boarding yan. Basket 2 points. 4-2. See. To 22. Nakita si 88 sa ilalim. Ang galing. Ang galing ni 88. Hinahanap. Hindi ka mabitawan. Nakalusot. Tumira. Basket 2 points. 8-2. Basket 15. Nagmamadali. Apat yan o. Basket. Easy layup. 8-2. Rebound 50. Fast break. Solo si number 27. Basket. Score natin. 8-6. Amang ng dalawa. Ito na. Last throw. Basket. 1 point. 8-7. Nagawin. Diretso. Pinasa kay Budoy. Bombing. 10-5. Nice bump. Pinasa kay number 2. Bombing. Basket. 2 points. So, 10-9. Tigit na tigit. Number 2. Tumiret sa gitna. Nakita si 88. 88, umikot pa. Hey, grabing ikot yun. 360 plus 360, 720 yun. Number 15. 3v1 to. Number 14, bombing again. Basket 2 points. So, 12-11. Naman yung isang sa Minay. Number 11, jumper 2. Basket 2 points. 1 minute 35 seconds. Number 12, nakita si 14. 14, boarding again. Basket 2 points. Score natin, 14-13. Namang nasa. Subok ng 3. Boarding, no good. Nakuha ni number 2, jumper. Basket 2 points. 16-13. Last 24 seconds. 11. Solo, nakita si 16, number 16. Pass kay number 11. Nice naman. 18-13. Silang. Nakita si 22. 22 for 3. 3 points. 21-30. Number 16 for the steal. Anong gagawin? Umikot. Steal. Grabe naman yun. Steal pa yan. Number 16 for the steal. Pinasa kay number 2. Number 2 nice play. Ni-reverse.
Time out sila. Call sila ng time out eh.
Number 11. Pass to number 2. Basket 2 points. Abang yan Titans. 27 dinerecho. Grabe. Strike lang pala eh. Strike ang gagawin. Nakita sa number 11. Number 11. Power move. Yan naman. Score 29-15. Pass break. Number 2. Easy. 2 points. 31-15.
Grabe yung run nila nun.
Pasok. 1 point. Pasok ulit. 1 point. 30. Back to number 2. Nakita si 88. Agawa ng bola. 88. Umilalam. Basket 2 points. Number 88. Nakasanlang pa. Number 16. Number 16 to number 88. Bumangga. Tumira. Hey! Flex again. 88 ang 2. 24. Bumarding. Yun. Nakabawas na. Take up. Binale. Uy! Nagagawan pa sila. Number 20 pagkariban. Basket 2 points.
Lamang.
Nagmamadali. Number 11. Nakita si 88. Basket 2 points. 39-19. Number 15. No good. Rebound to number 14. Number 14. Basket 2 points. Score natin. 39-21. Steal. 15 for the steal. 2-0-1. Basket 2 points. 39-23. Oras natin. 2 minutes. 39-25 ang score. Kuha kay number 20. Number 20, fast break again. Number 14. Number 14, basket 2 points. 39-27. Time remaining, 15 seconds. Shooting 1. Basket 1 point.
Pwede na pumasok po no kasi hindi naman ang
Oh, seconds na lang. Last throw. Basket 1 point again. 2-1. Pass to number 14. Number 40 to 15. Number 15 boarding. Basket 2 points. Number 15. Pass break again si number 14. Solo. 39-33. Nakita si 20. 20. Nakita si 17. Basket 2 points. 39. 10 to shoot. Number 2. Nakita si 11. Basket 2 points. 15. Nakalusot. Napasa pa kay 14. 14. Boarding talaga yun. Boarding game. 41-37.
Hindi.
Hindi ko nakita yun. Anong nangyari? Number 6. For 3. 2 rebounds. 45-37. Basket 2 points. Number 15. Steal by number 2. Number 2. Basket 2 points. Score by number 17. Pass to number 14. Pass break again. Grabe takbuhan na to. 24. 24. Basket 2 points. Pumasok ang una. Basket ang second attempt. Time out, HMNI. Score natin. Number 24, number 24 to number 201. Sabi na ba? Hey, tabla na ang ating score. On, 47-24. Pass to number 14, number 14. Basket 2 points. Grabe na yung takbuhan yan. Hindi pa sa pagod. Awi ka na. Number 16. Ni-reverse. Hey! Grabe kapit naman sa bolo. No? Tabla. Block shot. 20-11. 11. Basket 2 points. Last 2-1 to 24. 24. Binalik kay 14. Basket 2 points. 5 seconds. Nakuha na number 15. Binigay kay number 20. Binigay 17. Body. Basket 2 points.
Kaya po.
16 for 3. Nababayan. 3 points. 54. 15. Nakita sa 17. Basket 2 points. Time out. 20 to number 14. Pass break na naman. 2-0-1. Basket 2 points. Number 29. Number 15. Natabit na number 2. Number 11. Reverse. Number 15 to number 13.
This is our year,
Basket 2 points.
this is our day, this is where we step up, because we came to put up the shot up, we are gonna let our game speak for us, all those who face us, knew we was no longer dreaming, we are the team that you
15
can't
to shoot.
because we
Number 2.
became the team you need to be,
Pwede na yan.
no need to hate, unless we
Number
work it down hard
13. Number 15. Basket 2
waited
points.
all year for this day, we have no fear.
Shooting 1.
This is our turn when the clock hit
1
000.
point.
They will crown us as the champion. Give us our time, let it shine. We going to let the world see the new champ. Give us our ring.
64.
Caught in the moment,
Time to shoot. To number 2. Number 2.
but we are
Ang
here
lalim nun.
because we
Basket 2 points. 64. 62.
we are giving our fans.
And basket.
To you,
advantage. Number 14. Basket, 2 points. Nakuha ni number 20. Binalik ni 20. Basket, 2 points.
This is our year.
Timeout.
It's in the books and it is what it is. This is the year we give it
Basket,
everything
1
we got.
point.
We don't wanna leave a heart in, been put out
68-65.
there. And win or lose, you don't know we was here when that whistle blow. We become that beast that won't let you sleep.